enjoy the results.
Okay, guys, let's start. Are you ready to start, guys? Okay, let's start. Today we want to count by tens. Yes, let's count by tens. Who can tell me how we can start to count by tens? Yes, Irid. Can you count with me by tens?
Yes.
Yes, start. Yes, Irid, start with me. We will start with number 10. We will say. Yes, Irid, complete with me. Yes,
40,
great job. 20, great job.
40,
30,
50,
yes.
60, 70, 80, 90, 20.
Yes, 60, complete with me. 70.
100.
Yes, great job. Count with me. 70, 80, 90.
100.
Good job. 100. Good job. Here we. It's okay. Thank you. Smile face for Iyad. It's okay. Yes, Malak. Can you count with me by ones? I want to count by ones. Yes, from this word once. So I will start with number. Yes, Malak, start with me. With number 1. This is once. So I will start with number 1. Yes, Malak. Say with me 1.
1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Yes,
12,
good job.
13,
Yes, 11, 12.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 20.
It's okay. Thank you. Great job. Smile face for Malak. That's right. So we can count by ones. So if I want to count by ones, so I will say 1 from the word once. So I will say 1, 2, 3, and like that. But if I want to count by tens, so I will start with number 10 like that. This is tens. So I will start with number 10 and say 10, 20, 30,
40,
and like
40,
that.
50,
Yes,
60,
yes.
100.
Yes, 100. Good job. Smile face for you. Excellent. It's okay. Now we have, this is a 10 frame. This is a 10 frame. 10 frame means I have 10 objects like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4, 5, 6, 10.
Yes, now I have 10. Now I want to add 1. So what we can do to add 1? Yes, what's your opinion, Farida? What we can do to add 1? Yes,
1,
here
2,
I have finished. Yes, 10 frame. And I want to add 1 again. What I can do, Farida? Yes, I will open.
Yes.
Like that. And I will start to count. Okay, Farida. What I can say now, we have 10. So I will say 10. So after 10, we will say?
After 10?
Yes. Yes, we will say 11.
12,
11, great
14,
job.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yes, great job. So now if I want to count these numbers, how I can count? Okay, I will say what? I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. Here, Roanna, I will say like that. I will say 10, then I will say 11. Because here we have 10 frame. So when I see 10 frame complete like that, I will say 10. And if I have 10 frame has 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 objects, so I will count by 1. Yes, Roanna, count with me now. I want to know what is this number. Yes. Yes, Roanna, count with me. Yes, I will say here 10.
10, 40.
Yes, 14, not 40, 14. It's okay? I will say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like that. I will write here number 14. So 14, I will get 14 from, I have 110 like that. 10 plus 4. So to get 14, I will have 10 and 4 objects. So I have 14, like that. Okay, let's take another example. Yes, now we can take, yes, Ahmed. Yes, Ahmed. If I add one more and one more, like that, 2 more, like that, count with me. How we can count now?
No, miss.
Yes, count with me. I want to know the number. Here will equal. Yes, how we can count?
15.
Yes, will be
15.
16. Okay, how you can count? We will say 1, 2, 3, 4, or 10, 11, 12, and like that.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Good job. Thank you, Ahmed. Smile face for Ahmed. Ahmed said, I will say, we have here 10. So we will say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you can say we have 16. From where we can get number 16? From 10 plus 6. So we will have, yes, 16. Great job. Thank you, Ahmed. It's okay. Yes, Mariam. Yes, Mariam, say with me now. If we have, open more. Yes, now I have 2 more. Okay, count with me, Malak. Malak is here? No, Malak not here. Yes, Omar. Welcome, Omar. Yes, Omar, count with me.
I'm here.
Yes, you understand, guys, what we can do now?
Yes, I understand.
It's okay. You understand my English language or no? فاهمين الإنجليش بتاعي ولا صعب؟
No, I understand.
Yes, Iyad, you understand? Yes, Iyad.
Yes.
It's okay. Farid, it's okay. Ahmed Baha, it's okay. It's okay, guys. If you have any question, please tell me, Miss, I have a question. قولوا لي, Miss, I have a question, okay? Can you open your camera, guys, please? Yes, I want to see you. It's okay. Let's complete. Okay. Mariam. Yes, thank you, Ahmed. Thank you, Farida. Thank you, Mariam. Okay. You are welcome. All of you, please, guys. Okay, I want to see you. Okay, welcome, my dear. You are welcome. Okay, let's complete. Now we have this 10 frame again. We have 10 objects like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have 10. So if I want to count, I would say 10 from the first. Now I have another 10 frame like that. And I have like this. Yes, I want to count here. What is the number now? Like that. Okay. Yes, Mariam. Count with me, Mariam.
19.
Yes, Mariam. If I want to count to find the number, I will say
10.
10. Great job. 11.
11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18,
15.
19,
15 at the first. 15.
16, 16, 17, 18, 19.
And stop. I have here 19. I have 10 and 9. So I have 10 plus 9, so will equal 19. Good job. Smile face for Mariam. Thank you, my dear. It's okay. Let's see now. If I add one more here, like that. So how we can count now? Yes, Muhammad Tamer. Tell me, Muhammad, how we can count now?
19, 19.
Yes, now I will add one. I added one more here. Now I added one more, like that.
90,
yes.
91.
So yes, here, let's count here. I will say 10. And this will be, yes, here I have 10. And here I have 10. So I will count like that. 10.
20.
Yes, great job. Thank you. Smile face for you. So I will say 10 plus 10. Now we have 20. Because here I will count by tens. Why I will count by tens? Because I have 10 and 10 again. So I will say 10, 20. It's okay, thank you. Now if we have new 10 frame. Now I want to add one. عايز أعمل plus 1. So what I will do, what's your opinion? What we can do, guys? Yes, Ru'ana, what I can do?
21.
Yes, great job. I will say 21. Excellent. So I will open new 10 frame because 20 now, I have 20. So 10 frame here is finished. So I must be open new one to complete 21. Great job. So I will say like that. I will say I have 10, 20. Here I have 1. So I will say 21. So I have 10 plus 10 plus 1. Now I can say 10, 20, 21. It's okay. Smile face for you. Thank you, my dear. Okay, now if I want to add more and more like that, I will say like that. This is, I will add more and more and more like this. Yes, I want to count again. Okay, start with me. Ahmed Bahe. Yes, count with me now. Yes, how I can count now?
1, 2, 3.
This, no, here we have 10. This is not 1. This is, I have 10 frames, so I will count by tens. So I will say, yes, Ahmed, I will say 10.
10.
Yes, great job. And here also, I will, yes. Yes, complete with me, Ahmed. I will say 10 and
10 plus
yes.
10. 13.
Yes, we have.
13.
Okay, now 10 and 10, we have 20. Okay, let's count. I will say 20 1, count with me.
22.
20.
2.
Yes, complete. 20.
23.
Yes, good
24.
job.
25. 26. 27. 28. 29.
And stop.
30.
Here I have 29. So here I have 29. Why we have 29? Because I have 10 and 10, and here we have 9. So I will say like that. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 29. So to get 29, we have 10.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, welcome. How are you?
Are you saying my name? Is it me, Anna?
Your name is Ru'a?
Anna. My name, teacher. Are you say my name? Is it me, Ru'ana?
Ru'ana, welcome Ru'ana. How are you?
Fine.
You are welcome. It's okay. Understand now? You can say?
Yeah.
Yes, now we have 29. What's the meaning of 29? I have 10 and 10 and I have 9. So 10, I will say 10, 20 and 29. It's okay. Now, if I have a group of 10, this is a group of 10. Yes, it's okay. This is group of 10. And this is another group of 10. And I have another group of 10 like that.
يا رؤى تعالي بسرعة.
Yes, I want to count. Yes, guys, please mute the mic, guys, please. Okay. Now, yes, Iyad, count with me, Iyad. Here, I will count by tens or I count by ones?
My 10.
By tens, okay, thank you. Okay, great job. Smile face for you, Iyad. This is for you. Okay, Ahmed Nagih, count with me. Iyad said we will count by tens. Can you count by tens? Yes, count with me. We will say
13.
yes,
30.
count with me. Yes,
30.
10, 20, and 30. Great job. So yes, we were right. Okay, we can count also with another way. So we can say like that. I can say 110. I have 110, and I have 2 tens, 3 tens. So I can say also I have 3 tens. So if I have tens, I can count with 2 ways. I can say 10, 20, 30, or I can say like that. I can say 110, 2 tens, 3 tens. So 30 equals 3 tens. It's okay. Let's take another example. Now, if we have like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each group equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have more 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I want to count now. Okay. Yes, Ru'a, can you count with me? Okay, count with me. Each group has 10, like that. Each group equals 10. Yes,
14.
count with me.
40.
40, like say 10.
40.
40, I will say 10, 20, 30, and 40. So we have 40. Why we have 40? Because we have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So I can say I have 40 or I have 4 tens. So what's the meaning of 4 tens? It means I have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tenths and 4 tenths. So we equal 40. 4 tenths means 40. It's okay. Now, if we have 50, so I will count how many tenths. Yes, who can tell me, guys? If I have 50. Yes.
5.
Yes,
5
please.
tenths.
It's okay,
5.
thank you. It's okay.
5.
5. It's okay. Okay, please, guys, if you want to answer, raise your hand. Okay? Okay, thank you, guys. So I will have 5 tenths. So I will say 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths. So 50 means I have 5 tenths. It's okay, thank you. Okay, now if we have 70. So what's the meaning of 70? So I have how many tenths? Okay, if you want to answer, raise your hand. Okay, yes, Mariam. Will equal?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, 70 equals? How many tenths?
7.
7 tenths, great job. It's my place for you. Great job, my dear. It's okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you are welcome. Now, if we have 80. So, if I have 80, so now, how many tenths are there in 80? If you want, raise your
8
hand. Yes, raise your hand. Please, raise your hand. Yes, Roanna.
8.
Great job. If I have 80, so I have 8 tenths. I will count 8 tenths. I will say 10, 20, 30, 40, 8 times. It's okay. Smile face for you, my dear. It's okay. Now, if I have 90, so I have how many tenths in 90? Yes, if I want to solve, raise your hand. Yes, Farida. Tell me, Farida. If I have 90, yes, equal? Yes, Farida, excuse me, say again. 9, great job. So if I have 90, so I have 9 tenths. It's okay, let's see now. Now, if I have 10 tenths, I will count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 10 times like that. Now I have 10 and 20, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths, 9 tenths,
100.
10 tenths. Yes. Okay, please, guys, raise your hand before you say anything, please. Okay.
100.
Yes, thank you, Ahmed. Please, Ahmed, if you want to solve, raise your hand. Okay, Ahmed? Okay, thank you, my dear. Okay. Yes, Yed. If we have 10 tenths, what's the meaning of 10 tenths? So we have? Yes, Yed. Yes, now we have?
200.
Let's count to see. Count with me, Iyad. 10. Yes, 20.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Yes, so if we have 10 tenths, so we will equal
100.
100. So 10 tenths will equal 100. It's okay. So now if I want to say 100, so I count how many tenths to get 100? Yes, if I have 100, so yes, Mariam. 10 tenths, great job. So if I want to get 100, so I will count 10 tenths. It's okay. Now, if we have, this is 10 power like this. And beside it, I will make another 10 power like this. Now we have 20. And this is 30. Now 40. Here will be 50. Now 60. Here 70. And here 80. And here I will say 90, 10, 90. And if I have 10 from tens, now I have 100. So if I have like this shape, now I have 100. Why 100? Because I have 10 tens. Each one equal 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So if I have 10 tens, so I have 100. Okay, now this is a 100. Now I will divide this into 10 tens. Now this is 100. Now, if I want to count again, I have another 10 tens like that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And I have here 100 and 100. Okay, let's count. How I can count now by hundreds? Yes, Ahmed Bahe.
200.
Now, yes, I will say like that. 100, 200. Good job. Now I have 2 and 100. 200 has 2 zeros, like that. Now it's okay. Yes, Sarah. If we have like that, this is 110. And now we have another 10. And we have another 10 like that. Yes, Sarah, can you count with me? Each one here like 10, equal 10. Yes, Sarah, count with me. Yes, Sarah. Open your mic and solve with me. It's okay. Yes, Farida, open your mic and count with me.
Yes.
Yes, count with me.
30.
Yes, great job. 10, 20, 30. Smile face for you. Now we have 30. Okay, also we can say what? Who can tell me? 30 is right. I want to count by 110 and like that. Okay, yes, Roanna, can you count with me? By 110 and like that? It's okay? Yes, Roanna, count with me like 110 and like that. Yes, here we have 110. Yes, Roa, count with me.
Okay. 1,
110.
10.
Yes.
1, 2,
2
3.
2 tens.
2 tens.
Yet?
3 tens.
Yes, so 30
30.
means, yes, 30 means I have 3 tens. So I can say 10, 20, 30. And I can say 3 tens. I have 1 10, 2
3
tens.
tens.
Great job. Smile face for you, my dear. Thank you. It's okay,
Okay.
now. Okay, if I have group of 10. Now we said if we have 10 tens, so we have 100. And here, if I have 10 tens, we have another 100. Now I want to count by 100, like that. Here, like that. I want to count by 100. Okay, who can count with me by 100? I have here, like that. Each one equal 100. It's okay, let's count. Okay, I will choose. Yes, Roanna.
400.
Okay. Yes, okay, we will count like that. 100, 200, 300, 400. So we can say 400 like that. Okay, I want to count with another way, like 1, 100, 2, okay, 2, 200, 3, and 4, 100. 4, 100 means 400. It's okay. Let's take another example. Here, if I want to count by 100, I want to complete. I will say 100. Yes. Who can tell me how I can count by 100? Yes, do. Yes, do Anna.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, I would say 100. Count by 100. Yes, 200.
200.
Yes, complete.
300.
Good job.
400.
400. Complete. Count again.
500.
Yes,
500.
good job. Yes, good job. 500. Thank you. Smile face for you. Thank you, my dear. It's okay. Yes, Farida, count with me. Yes, I will start 100. I will, okay, 200, wait. 300, 400, 500.
500.
Yes, complete with me after 500.
600. 700.
Yes, 600,
800.
700,
800.
800.
900.
Yes, 900. It's okay. Great
1,000.
job. Yes, 1,000. Great job. 1,000 has 3 zeros like that. 1,000. So we will have 10 hundreds. We will say 10 tens equal 100. And if we count 10 hundreds, I will say 10, 100, 200, 300, 10 hundreds if we have. If we have 10 hundreds, so we will get 1,000. 1,000 has 3 zeros like that. It's okay? Now, if we have, this is 100, we know. And now we have, this is 110 like that. And I have ones like that, yes. Who can tell me the number now? I want to count by 100 and by tens and by ones. Yes. Yes, Iyad, count with me, Iyad. I will start with the biggest place. Here, where is the biggest place value? Ones or tens or 100?
100.
Good job. So we will start. We have, how many hundreds are there? Yes, how many hundreds are there? Yes, I have 100. That's right. Okay. Thank you, Iyad. Yes, Ahmed Nega, how many tens are there?
1.
110. So I will write 10 here. I have 10. It's okay. Great job. Thank you. Okay. Yes, Farida, how many ones? Count with me here.
Yes.
Yes, count by ones. Here by ones. So I will say 1.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, I have 3. So now I have 3 ones and 1 tenth, and I have 100. So I want to write the number in the home. Here ones, and here we have tens, and here we have 100. So 3 will go to ones. Here 3 in ones. I will say 3, and I will write 3 here. Here I have 10. I have 1 tenth. So we'll go to in tens with 1 tenth, because here 1 tenth. Here, how many hundreds are there? I have 100. So I want to say this number. How I can say this number? I want to read. I want to read this number. If you want to read any number, so we will start with the biggest place value. Here, the biggest place value is 100. So I will say 113. Again, now we have numbers like that. I want to read this number. How I can read this number? I will start, this is 100, and this is 10, and this is 1. Yes, I will say like that. What is the biggest value? Here is 100. I will put underline in 100. So I will say 113. And I can write in letters like that. I will say 100. 100 like that. And 13. 113 like that. It's okay. Let's see now. Start with Farida. Now, Farida, we have numbers like that. Yes, now we have numbers like that. Can you read this number? Yes, here, this is 100. Yes, I will start with biggest value. Here is 100. So 200 and this is what? 30? Yes, like this, 34. Now, if we have number like 34 and I will open 100 place value, so I will say like that, 234. It's okay, thank you, smile face for you. It's okay, let's complete. Yes, Maryam. If we have number like this, here I will start with the biggest value, highest value. Okay, here is
15.
Good job. I will say like that, 400. What is the left? 15. So I will say 415. Smile face for you. Thank you, my dear. It's okay. Ahmed Nagih. If we have number like this. Yes. Can you read this number?
534.
Great job. I will start with the biggest value here is 500.